To install the Stremio app on your Amazon Fire Stick, begin by navigating to Settings on your Fire TV device and selecting Device. From there, go to Developer Options and enable apps from unknown sources. This setting allows you to install applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. Next, we turn to the home screen and select the search icon. Type Downloader into the search field. In the search results under the Apps section, locate and select the Downloader app. Tap the Download button to install it. Once the app is downloaded, click Open to launch it. Inside Downloader, go to the Browser tab and type in the URL stremio.com, then press Go. The Stremio website will load. Scroll down and click on the Other Downloads link. On the Downloads page, scroll until you find the Stremio app for Android TV. This is the version compatible with Firestick. Click on it to begin the download. After the app finishes downloading, the installation screen will appear. Scroll down and select Install. When installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Stremio app on your Fire Stick and start streaming.